Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn finance for beginners. First, focus on understanding your income and expenses to create a realistic budget. Next, explore the basics of saving, like setting up an emergency fund, and then delve into simple investment options. Finally, familiarize yourself with common financial accounts, such as checking, savings, and retirement accounts, to build a solid foundation. Once you have the basics, dive into essential concepts. Compound interest is crucial. It helps your money grow significantly over many years. Learn about different asset classes like stocks, which represent ownership in companies, versus bonds, which are essentially loans. Also, assess your personal risk tolerance to make informed decisions about where and how much to invest. To deepen your knowledge, actively engage with learning resources. Read books from trusted authors and follow financial news from reliable sources. Many online platforms offer excellent courses, often for free, that break down complex topics. If you feel overwhelmed, a certified financial advisor can provide tailored advice and help you create a personalized financial plan. Finally, put your knowledge into action to build a strong financial future. Begin investing even small amounts regularly. Consistency is key to long-term growth. Make it a habit to review your financial plan at least once a year, adjusting it to reflect life changes or new goals. And hey, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.